07, copy your mark.
Shadow won't be advised.
Welcome to Uncover History. Today we're exploring Pakistan's latest advancement in unmanned aerial technology, the Shahpar-3, a cutting-edge drone developed by NESCOM. Let's dive into its unveiling detailed specifications, unique features, and strategic importance for Pakistan. The Shahpar-3 was officially unveiled as part of Pakistan's showcase at Ideas 2024, gaining widespread attention for its advanced capabilities. Designed by the National Engineering and Scientific Commission, NESCOM, this drone is a leap forward from its predecessors, combining stealth, endurance, and firepower to meet the modern battlefield's divided munitions. Its arsenal includes advanced air-to-ground missiles, smart bombs, and loitering munitions, giving it a lethal edge in combat scenarios. Sensors and avionics. The drone features state-of-the-art electro-optical and infrared sensors, providing real-time intelligence, target acquisition, and day-night operation. It's a strategic game-changer. It enhances Pakistan's surveillance capabilities, critical for monitoring borders, particularly in regions with heightened security concerns. Second, its precision strike capabilities provide a deterrent against adversaries, allowing Pakistan to neutralize events. It not only enhances national security but also showcases Pakistan's growing technological prowess on the global stage. Thank you for watching Uncover History. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Shahpar-3, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into Pakistan's defense advancements.